Hey, I'm about to give you 3 reasons why you should start with affiliate marketing. Next. What's up, guys? It's your man Earl, Batman Stranger, and in this video, I'm going to talk about affiliate marketing and why you should get started with it. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm assuming you're interested in getting into affiliate marketing, so you kind of know what it is. But if you're not, affiliate marketing is basically where you earn commissions from selling other people's goods or services. All right. And affiliate marketing is everywhere, whether you realize it or not. You've probably been giving people commissions for something your whole life without even realizing it, right? Stuff you buy, somebody else getting a nice little cut of that, right? And it's all good because, I mean, ain't that's what you want? You want to make money, so this is how you could do it. Another thing, affiliate marketing is just so popular, and if you're watching this video, you're about to understand why and why you should start with affiliate marketing. So getting right into it, the first reason why is it's easy to get into. All right, affiliate marketing, hands down, is super easy to get involved with, and you can start it for free, right? um it's just one of them things where all you need to do is find what you feel comfortable being an affiliate for, right? So if you're in the weight loss niche, you need to, like, all right, you know what, okay, I'm in this whole fitness stuff. I need to find products that I feel comfortable promoting, and find the affiliate program, sign up, get my affiliate link, and you're good to go. When people click on that link and they buy something, you're going to get a commission. It's that simple. And in many cases, 99% of affiliate programs are um, they're free. They're free to get started with. Now, matter of fact, I'm trying to think of any that's paying. I don't know. I mean, some, depending on what you're doing, some companies, they do have it where you have to, like, be a member or something. Depending on what you're doing, you have to be a member to be able to be an affiliate of that. But in most cases, they're free. They're free to sign up. Once you give information, they'll give you a link, and you'll be good to go. All you gotta do is share that link and earn commissions. All right. So affiliate marketing is super easy and fast to get started with. You can start it right after you watch this video. All right. The second reason why you should get into affiliate marketing is that there's so many different ways to promote affiliate offers. I mean, if you think about it, um it's just, if you got a product, right, affiliate, you're an affiliate of something, you can promote it through email, right? You can promote it, if you really get into the game, you can promote it via text message marketing, right? You can promote it via YouTube. You can promote your offers from on Facebook. You can promote your stuff on Pinterest. All right. You can take your ad, take it offline, right? You can get flyers made up. You can get business cards made up. If you really find something great, yes, you can even get a billboard in your area. It depends on, obviously, you should have a big ticket product that you're promoting. But that's the thing about affiliate marketing. There's so many different ways to promote your offers. Now, granted, that could work reverse. It could be overwhelming, right? Because you're like, oh my God, I got this offer, right? Like, which way should I go? Should I do the YouTube? Should I do the Facebook? Should I get business cards? Should I get, right? So, but that's kind of a good problem to have, because once you get involved with affiliate marketing, you're going to figure out what works best for you and what you feel more comfortable with doing, right? So, that's something that you definitely want to think about. There's so many different ways to promote affiliate products. And lastly, the third reason why you should get involved with affiliate marketing, if you're looking to make money online or offline, last reason is the earning potential. The earning potential with affiliate marketing, there is none. I mean, and I'm saying, like, the sky's the limit. There's no cap. There's nothing where it's like, okay, well, if you make $1,000 from affiliate marketing, you're done for the month. No, there are affiliate marketers that are making seven figures, right? So you might be thinking, all right, yeah, that's nice, but that's just unrealistic. That's not going to happen. Okay, well, there are a lot of affiliate marketers making six figures a year, and that's a lot, right? So you still might be like, I mean, all right, there's a crap ton of affiliate marketers making, five figures a year. I'm talking, 30, $40,000 a year just from being an affiliate, right? So my point is there is no limit, and if you find something that you really believe in, right, and that converts and that there's an audience for, you can run with it, right? You can run with affiliate marketing, and that is the real deal. Look at other videos. I'm sure you see other videos and courses talking about affiliate marketing, blah blah blah. Yes, it is real. I made my first money online like 11, 12 years ago, selling. I forget what it was. But it was an ebook that I was an affiliate. No, I was. It was a course that I was an affiliate of, and it was just like super cool to see your first commission come in, right? And that could be you, right? So those are three reasons why you should get into affiliate marketing if you're serious about making money online. And if you're really, really serious, you definitely want to check out my number one recommended money making opportunity, which is all about making money with affiliate marketing, which is Wealthy Affiliate. The link below, it actually speaks for itself. It teaches you step by step how to get involved with affiliate marketing, how to start making money with affiliate marketing. You can get started with the absolutely free join the community. You actually see me over there. I'm actually a member of Wealthy Affiliate, and this is all the training you need if you want to focus on affiliate marketing, making money online with affiliate marketing. So check that out for sure. Jump in the community and start making that money. All right. So hopefully this video helped you out. Be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video. Peace. Thanks for watching this video. Be sure to check out my number one recommended program for making money online. If you want to be your own boss and be able to work from anywhere in the world, click the link in the description.